Welcome to the soothing cosmos, where the wonders of the universe unfold in calm and captivating detail. Here, we journey beyond our world, exploring the mysteries of space, the beauty of distant planets, and the secrets written in the stars. Milkdromeda, the future of our galaxy. In about 4 billion years, a truly cosmic event will unfold. The Milky Way Galaxy will collide with its massive neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. This titanic encounter will reshape the night sky forever, giving rise to a new, merged galaxy that astronomers have named Milkdromeda. But what exactly will happen during this galactic collision? And how will it affect the solar system, and perhaps, the very future of life? Setting the stage. The Milky Way and Andromeda are two giant spiral galaxies bound together by gravity. Right now, they are on a collision course, moving toward each other at about 110 kilometers per second. Even though that sounds incredibly fast, space is so vast that this encounter will take billions of years to fully play out. Will stars collide? Surprisingly, despite 2 trillion stars being involved, the chances of actual star-on-star collisions are extremely small. That's because galaxies are mostly empty space. Instead, what we will witness are dramatic gravitational interactions that distort their shapes, creating long tidal tails of gas, dust, and stars. A new night sky. As Andromeda approaches, the night sky from Earth, or whatever remains of it, will become increasingly spectacular. In a few billion years, future observers will see Andromeda grow larger and larger until it dominates the sky, eventually merging into the Milky Way to form a single, giant elliptical galaxy. What happens to the solar system? Our solar system could be flung into a new orbit, carried far from its current home in the Orion Arm. There's even a chance that we could be ejected into intergalactic space. But astronomers think it's more likely we'll simply orbit within the newly formed Milkdromeda, in a cosmic neighborhood that will look very different from today's. The birth of Milkdromeda. The final product of this collision will not be two galaxies smashing into one another, but rather, a beautiful, smooth elliptical galaxy, a kind of stellar city made up of the combined stars, planets, and dark matter of both the Milky Way and Andromeda. Astronomers call it Milkdromeda, a poetic name for our galaxy's grand future. The story of Milkdromeda is a reminder of how dynamic and ever-changing the cosmos is. Galaxies are born, collide, merge, and evolve across billions of years. And while this cosmic drama will unfold far beyond the lifespan of humanity, it connects us to the vast, living universe in which we reside. So next time you look up at the Milky Way, remember, it's only a chapter in an epic story that's still being written.